Hi, I'm Mike from Autel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair a new key with your vehicle using the new Autel KM100 key tool. In the last video, you generated a key to use with your vehicle, and now you have to pair it with your vehicle for it to work. Luckily, the KM100 can perform both processes. So we have our key and our key tool. After generating the key, tap IMMO, which means we will pair the key with the immobilizer system. Make sure your VCI is connected and you're connected on the tablet. Since I have other working keys, I'm going to select Hot Function and then Add Key Guided. Now select Add Key Guided. Make sure the ignition is on and press Start. You've now entered the step-by-step process to add a key. Follow the prompts on the screen to pair the key. Place the working key in the vehicle and then turn the ignition off. The vehicle needs to read this key's information so that it can pair the new one. We'll turn the ignition on. Now let's take our working key out of the vehicle and place it a few meters away from the vehicle. Place the new key in the vehicle and follow the prompts on the screen. The new key will be registered almost immediately. Then, to synchronize the information with the vehicle, turn the ignition on and off a few times. Finally, turn the engine on and unlock the doors to make sure your new key works properly. I'm Mike, and I hope this video was informative. The Autel KM100 can generate new keys and pair them with 99% of vehicles. If you are interested in more videos on the key tool, check out our YouTube video library. Thank you for watching.